How to sign in into UnitedHealthcare Medicare account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in or sign in into your United Healthcare Medicare account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is simply search for United Healthcare Medicare login into your Google or any other web browser. After you do that, you should see the website for your United Healthcare Medicare. So you can simply head over to its website, and this is the one right here that we will be using. So open that up, and here you can see two options. One is to register, while other is to sign in. If you don't have an account, tap on register. Since this video is for signing in, I'll tap on sign in. And after you sign in after you tap on the sign in option, it will redirect you to another page where you will be able to sign in. So while this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. And there we go. We have now on the sign in page. So all you now have to do is type in your username, then your password. And if you want to make your sign in process easier for the future, tap on remember my username. After that, tap on the sign in option and then you'll be able to log in into your account. If you've forgotten your username or password, there are options to recover that as well. And that's basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.